10 dependable products to make your skin youthful. Skin is our body's largest organ, so it only makes sense that you take extra care of it. Your skin is a mirror of what is going on inside the body and what is affecting it from outside. In today's continually growing world, there are hundreds of thousands of beauty products that will claim to give you transparent and glowing skin. But only a few of them guarantee any visible change. But why go for commercial products when you can have great skin with natural products? If Mother Nature is ready to give you her word, why not try nature for glowing skin? Skeptical? We understand. Here are 10 natural products that you should try to have happy and glowing skin. Accompany us till the end to know everything about them. Benefits of switching to natural products. The best part about using natural products for skin is that you have the option to consume them as well as apply them topically, which cannot be done with factory manufactured beauty products, unless you want to have some serious stomach troubles. The other fantastic reason is that most of the products that we are going to mention will be cost effective and you just have to walk to your kitchen to get them. Well, we hope you have started toying with the idea of redesigning your skincare routine. Let us end your wait now and introduce you to all these nature's gifts for your skin. Number 1. Honey. Honey is a product that has earned its position at the top because of its versatility and universally loved taste. And we were sitting here and thinking that healthy cannot taste good? Honey mask. You can apply honey directly to your skin as a mask. Leave this honey mask on your skin for at least minutes before washing it with lukewarm water. This remedy is extremely beneficial for those with dry skin as honey makes the skin soft and supple. Honey as food. Consuming honey can also make the skin glow if consumed every morning with lukewarm water and lemon. Remember only to use raw organic honey on your face or as an edible because adulterants are big no-no. Number 2. Coconut oil. There would never be enough time to stop singing the praises of coconut and the truckload of health benefits it carries. It has life-changing effects on both our internal and external health. It can make your hair, skin and other organs happy with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that promote healing. Coconut oil moisturizer. Coconut oil can be used as a moisturizer for reviving cracked and dry skin. Just apply it on your face for a minute before washing it off with your regular face wash and see instant results. Makeup protection. Coconut oil is also an excellent way to protect skin from drying and breaking out after wiping out makeup. It can either be used to take off makeup or to apply as a serum after cleaning the makeup to restore the skin's vigor. Ensure to use only extra virgin coconut oil though. And do not forget to perform a patch test if you are trying it for the first time. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a royal plant. Maybe that is why even its leaves look like a crown. Sorry for the ill-formed jokes. But the benefits provided by aloe vera are no joke, which is why it is extensively used in a majority of beauty products that soothe and shine the skin. All natural. You can find a myriad of aloe vera gels in the market, but try rubbing a freshly cut aloe vera leaf on your clean, freshly washed face every night before going to bed and see the difference. Acne and aloe vera. Applying aloe vera daily for 10 minutes can lighten blemishes and reduce the appearance of acne. Number 4. Milk. How come everything provided by nature is an absolute multitasker? No one is aware of the prevalence of milk in our lives because it is really hard to make do without it. Milk as a cleanser. Throw some full-fat milk on your face and pat it dry with a towel or wash it with cold water after a few minutes. It makes the skin soft and silky with its unmatched moisturizing properties. Detown with milk. Use milk on the skin regularly to get off unwanted melanin from the skin's surface and achieve nourished skin. Number 5. Avocados. Are you surprised to know that your favorite breakfast item is not just tasty but also an outstanding ingredient for your skin? Avocado oil. Avocado oil has many healthy fats, vitamins and antioxidants that can keep skin healthy and glowing. Avocado mask. Use mashed avocado as a 15-minute mask and wash it using milk first and then water. Number 6. Banana. Are you wondering why your whole pantry is a potential booster of skin health? Bananas complement hundreds of tasty and healthy desserts, but they can complement your skin too. Banana for dry skin. Using a ripe mashed banana as a face mask every once in a while can promote clear and tight skin and delay the appearance of fine lines. Number 7. Almonds. Almonds are a fantastic option for the nourishment and exfoliation of the skin due to their stock of vitamin E, which is all the basis of many beauty products. Almond exfoliator. Make a coarse blend of around 10 to 12 almonds and milk and use it as a scrub. Wash the remaining mixture off the face with cold water for surprisingly supple skin. Number 8. Papaya. Papaya contains mines of papain enzyme and vitamin A that nourish the skin by removing dead cells and making it glow. Papaya equals clear skin. Apply mashed papaya on a clean face for 5 to 7 minutes and then massage it off. Wash it with cold water or remove it with a damp cloth and see your skin's brightness reach maximum. Number 9. Sugar. The benefits of sugar for the skin are just as sweet as it tastes. Due to the amazing texture of sugar, it can revive the skin when used as an exfoliator. Sugar to kick off dull skin. Mix 1 tablespoon sugar with 1 tablespoon full fat cream and massage gently on your face. You can also alternatively use curd instead of milk. This method can glowing skin in minutes. Number 10. Figs. Another delicious option to your skin's rescue. Most people do not know this, but fig's texture makes it an ideal exfoliator with additional reviving benefits provided by its antioxidants. Fig and milk mixture. Blend a fig with a little bit of milk to form a thick scrub. Gently rub your skin with this scrub and achieve dead skin cell-free and glowing skin. Using it regularly can also reduce the appearance of blackheads. Our natural ingredient praise session comes to an end with this, and now you can make some changes in the way you look after your skin. Hope we served you something out of the ordinary today. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.